A Parent's Guide on Alcohol, Substances and Drug Abuse. Kids are our future, and we owe it to them to do everything we can to ensure that they know the facts about the terrible effects of alcohol and drug abuse. School-parent cooperation. The development of strong policies that spell out rules governing use, possession, and sale of alcohol and other drugs is a key part of any school-based prevention program. Learn what your school's policies are and actively support them. If your school has no policy, work with teachers, administrators, and community members to develop one. Good school policies typically specify what constitutes an alcohol or other drug offense, spell out the consequences for violating the policy, describe procedures for handling violations, and build community support for the policy. Visit your child's school and learn how drug education is being taught. Are the faculty members trained to teach about alcohol and other drug use? Is drug education a regular part of the curriculum or limited to a special week? Is it taught through the health class, or do all teachers incorporate drug education into their subject area? Do children in every grade receive drug education, or is it limited to selected grades? Is there a component for parents? If your school has an active program to prevent drug use, ask to see the materials that are being used. Do they contain a clear message that alcohol and other drug use is wrong and harmful? Is the information accurate and up to date? Does the school have referral sources for students who need special help? Let other parents know about the school's policies through meetings of the parent-teacher organization. At least one meeting each year should be devoted to issues of alcohol and other drug use. Knowledgeable local physicians and pharmacists can be invited to discuss how drugs affect the growth and development of children. Police officers can outline the scope and severity of the drug problem in your community, and substance abuse counselors can discuss symptoms of alcohol and other drug use and treatment options. Parent community activities. Help your child to grow up alcohol and drug-free by supporting community efforts to give young people healthy alternatives. Alcohol and drug-free proms and other school-based celebrations are growing in popularity around the country. You can help to organize such events, solicit contributions, and serve as a chaperone. Local businesses are also an excellent source of support for alternative activities such as athletic teams and part-time jobs. Parent support groups. Other parents can be valuable allies in your effort to keep your child drug-free. Get to know the parents of your child's friends. Share expectations about behavior, and develop a set of mutually agreed-upon rules about such things as curfews, unsupervised parties, and places that are off-limits. Helping youngsters stay out of trouble is easier when the rules of conduct are clearly known and widely shared. Build a network of other adults with whom you can talk. Join a parent organization in your community or talk informally with your friends about common concerns in rearing children. Sharing experiences can provide insights that help you deal with your child's behavior. It also helps to know that other parents have faced similar situations. Despite the grim stories that fill our newspapers and dominate the evening news, most young people do not use illicit drugs, they do not approve of drug use by their friends, and they share their parents' concern about the dangers posed by drugs. Successful prevention efforts, whether in a family, school, or community setting, have many elements in common: a concern for the welfare and well-being of young people, dedicated adults who are willing to devote their time and energy, and have an unwavering commitment to being drug-free. For current information on alcohol and other drug use, please visit our website, where a resource section is provided that can help parents to find organizations like clearinghouses, drug and alcohol prevention, and parents groups and more. In our next video, we will introduce a list of symptoms that you need to be aware of in your child that could indicate the use of alcohol, drugs and substances. The Canadian Don't Do Drugs Society is a non-profit organization. We count on your support and generosity. For donation, please use the donation button on our website or our YouTube channel.